Once you're in Business Central, your screen's going to look something like what mine looks like. And up in the top right corner, you're going to see something that looks like a gear. If I click on that, it says Settings. And then from there, I'm going to hit, I'm going to go down to Admin Center. And if you do not have access to this, someone in your company probably does. Well, obviously someone in your company or your partner would have to have this. So just reach out to your IT admin and they can help you get this updated. So from there, I'm going to go to my, my environment that I'm going to upgrade. I'm going to hit the word apps. And what it's doing right now is the system is checking all the different apps that are installed in my environment. For example, right now there's one here, a BankRec app that comes with Microsoft. And if I want to install the update, I would simply just check the box, hit yes, and then it's going to schedule that update. I just updated our app a little while ago. So you're going to see down here that the app is already up to date. Right there. So again, that's how you upgrade our app. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to our help desk team.